Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope that you all will be doing good. Today we are going to learn about degrees of adjectives. But first of all, I want to remind you that what are adjectives? Adjectives tell more about people, places, animals and things. They make our writing and speaking more descriptive and attractive. For example, if I say I like that red car. So here in this sentence, red is an adjective. It tells us about the color of the car. Moreover, if there are so many cars and if I like this car specifically, then I can identify this car by using the color as an adjective. The white cat is sitting. So here white is an adjective and it tells that the color of the cat is white. Moreover, if there are so many cats and the other cats are not sitting and we have to tell that which one is sitting, then we can use white as an adjective to tell that the white cat is sitting. Sabahat is a curious girl. Here curious is an adjective. This adjective tells us that Sabahat is very curious. So adjectives always tell more about people, places, animals and things. If we remove adjectives from these sentences, even then these sentences will be grammatically correct. But the use of adjectives makes the writing colorful, descriptive and attractive. There are basically 3 degrees of adjectives. First, second and third. First degree is called positive, second degree is called comparative and third degree is called superlative. So the degrees of comparison are known as the positive, the comparative and the superlative. But in fact the positive degree is not the degree of comparison, as we don't compare anything using the positive degree of comparison. For example, tall. Tall is a positive degree of adjective. If we say that he is a tall boy, so we are just giving an information that this boy is tall. We are not comparing this boy with any other boy. So tall is a positive degree of adjective. But if we have to compare two things, then we use comparative degree. For example, if we say that the second boy is taller than the first boy, then taller is comparative degree, because now here we are comparing two boys. And if we have to compare one thing amongst rest of the all, then we use superlative degree. For example, if we say that the boy standing on the left side is the tallest, so the tallest is the superlative degree, because here the boy is being compared with all other boys. So first degree is positive. I have 6 apples. Here 6 is an adjective. It is a positive degree of adjective, as it is just telling the number of apples. We are not comparing the apples with any other sort of apples. She has a new dress. Here new is an adjective and is a positive degree of adjective, as it is just telling that this dress is quite new. We are not comparing this dress with any other kind of dress. The brown horse is very active. Here brown and active are adjectives and these are positive degrees of adjectives, as horse is not being compared with any other horse in this sentence. She has a colorful umbrella and here colorful is an adjective and this is positive degree of comparison, as this umbrella is not being compared with any other kind of umbrellas. Second degree, that is comparative degree. When we have to compare two things, then we use comparative degree of adjective. Like Hanan is taller than Chavez, so height of the Hanan and Chavez is being compared, so taller is comparative degree. Mohsin is more intelligent than his sister, so more intelligent is comparative degree, because the intelligence of Mohsin and his sister means two people is being compared. This car is more expensive than this bike, so here car and bike, two things are being compared, so more expensive is comparative degree of adjective. This table is bigger than that chair, so here table and chair, two things are being compared, so bigger is a comparative degree of adjective. Third degree, that is superlative degree. When we have to compare one thing amongst rest of the all, then we use superlative degree. For example, it is the tallest tree amongst those all. She is the most intelligent student in my class. There are so many students and she is most intelligent. So tallest and most intelligent, these are superlative degrees of adjectives. This is the fastest horse. All the horses are running very fast, but this horse is very fastest. So fastest is the superlative degree. It is the cheapest table. There are so many tables, but the cheapest table is identified, so cheapest is the superlative degree of adjective. Degree of comparison. Now there are some rules. When a one syllable adjective, syllable means sound, when a one syllable adjective ends in one vowel plus a consonant, then we double the consonant and add er and est to make comparative and superlative degrees. For example, big. There is one sound big and there is a vowel I preceding consonant G. So we will double the consonant and we will add er to make it comparative and we will add est to make it superlative. Hot. There is one syllable, one sound hot. and there is O vowel preceding T consonant, so we will double the consonant and we will add ER to make it comparative and EST to make it superlative. When an adjective ends in two vowels plus a consonant, then we don't double the consonant. For example, in the word cool, there are two vowels double O and there is one consonant L, so we will not double the consonant, we will just add ER to make it comparative and we will just add EST to make it superlative degree. Fool, there are double O again as vowels and there is one consonant L, so we will not double the consonant, we will just add ER to make it comparative and EST to make it superlative. Now, if there are two syllable adjectives ending in ed, ing and ful, then always form the comparative with more and the superlative with the most. Da is used with most. For example, verb read. Now there are two sounds, two syllables. Then we will make its comparative using more and superlative by using the most. Bow, ring. There are two sounds, two syllables. So we will make comparative by using more and superlative by using the most. Careful, there are two sounds, two syllables, so we will make comparative by using more and superlative by using the most. Worried, more worried, the most worried. Boring, more boring, the most boring. Careful, more careful, the most careful. Now, if there are three or more than three syllables, then we simply use more and most. Now we don't use da with most. Like beautiful, there are three sounds, three syllables, then we'll just simply add more and most to make these comparative and superlatives. Dangerous, there are three syllables, so we'll make comparative by using more and we'll make superlative by using most. Exciting, three sounds, three syllables, so we'll make comparative by using more and we'll make superlative by using most. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Exciting, more exciting, most exciting. Now there are some irregular comparatives and superlatives because there are no rules to be followed for making comparative and superlative degrees in these conditions, like good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, far, farther or further, farthest or furthest, near, nearer, nearest or next, old, older or elder, oldest or eldest, good looking, better looking, best looking, little, less or lesser, least. So for making comparative and superlatives of these adjectives, we follow no rules. So these are called irregular comparatives and superlatives. Now this is the time for quiz. You have to identify that which type of degree is being used here. Art is the dash subject of all to me. So here art is being compared with rest of the all subjects. You have to identify that which degree of adjective will be used here. My dash time is when I am painting. So here one time is being compared with rest of the all time. My new poster is dash than my last one. So here two things are being compared. You have to identify that which type of degree of adjective will be used in these blanks. Let's see. Art is the most enjoyable subject of all to me because here art is being compared with rest of other all subjects. So superlative degree is used here. My dash time is when I am painting. My happiest time is when I am painting. So here superlative degree is used because this time is compared with rest of the other time. My new poster is larger than my last one. So here comparative degree is used because two things are being compared here, new poster and the last one. I hope students that you have understood today's lecture. Thank you.